Hello, my name is Scott and welcome to today's tutorial where we will be going through how to access case law online. For this tutorial we'll be using Westlaw UK, but there are other legal search engines which can be used. If you're a UEA registered student, you will need to access Westlaw via the UEA library webpage. If you are not a UEA registered student, you will need to go directly to the Westlaw website or access it via your own university's access mechanism. When we are on the UEA library webpage, we need to select the A to Z databases option. Then from here, we're going to search for Westlaw. Once I select this, it will ask me to log into my UEA account to verify my access permissions. From here, we are then greeted with the Westlaw UK search box, which allows us to search across a variety of sources, such as cases, legislation, journals, current awareness, an index of legal terms, EU, or Westlaw books. As today we will be searching for a case, we will select the Cases Case Search option. Here we are greeted with a variety of search options. So for example, we can search via key terms, such as free text. If we have the case citation, we can put that in here, or we can search by the names of the parties. For this tutorial, we shall search for the famous contract law case of Carlisle vs. Carbolic Smokeball Company. As we know the party names, these can be placed in the parties field. And as you will see, as I start typing, Westlaw will start searching for the names of cases that it identifies. Once we find the correct one, we can simply select that and hit the search button. As you can see, this brings up two cases. The case we're interested in particular is the Court of Appeal decision. And from here, we can access the case analysis. So let's have a little look at this. This will be like a summary of the case, which gives us a little bit of information and an abstract and what was held in the decision. From here, we can email this file if we wish to ourselves, we can print it out, or we can download it. If we go back, what we can also do is look at the full case decision, and that would be the option here, 1893 1QB 256. And now we have access to the full decision. I just wish to show you another way of searching for a case. So if we go to the case searches option, we can then search by citation if we know what this is. So if I start by putting in the date for the case, and as before, Westlaw starts pulling up information that it thinks it might have that links to this case. We can select that one and search. And again, it's pulled us back to the case we are looking for. And it is as simple as that to search for case law using Westlaw UK. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions on how to search for cases, feel free to add them to the comments section below and I will try to respond or take a look at the useful product support link on the Westlaw UK cases search page or the terms and connectors guidance. I hope you found this tutorial useful and I look forward to seeing you all again in the next one.